Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 11 of our playlist. Okay, JavaScript playlist. This is the part 11. Here we will discuss unary operator. So what are the unary operator? Unary operator like plus plus or minus minus. Okay, so this plus plus operator and minus minus operator, which is also called unary operator, this is used to increment the value. Okay, this is used to increment the value. Okay, so how we can use this variables? So for example, let a equals to 10. Okay, if you want to increment a value, then what is the simple way you can do? You can say a equals to a plus 1. This is a simple way. So now a value is 11, right? And another way is like you can say a equals to, right? A equals to, you can write like this also. This is what? Shorthand operator. Okay, so here, what is the a value? Here 12. Okay, so like what we are doing here, we are updating a value. Like what is the mean of this expression? What is the mean of this expression? So like we write like a equals to a plus 1. Okay, so this is normal way and this is the shorthand way. Okay, so now see how we can use unary operator. So if you want to increment a value, so simply you will write simply a plus plus. Let's say enough. So here a value is 11. Okay, this will also increment a value by 1. This is also increment a value by 1, and this is also another way to increment a value by 1, right? Okay, so let's print a value. So if you want to print a value, so you can say console.log.a, console.log.a. Okay, so here it will print a value. Okay, if you want to print different way of a value, so you can also write in alert. Okay, alert is like a pop-up will come when you execute your code, so it will come on your browser. Okay, let's see what is the a value. So what I will do, I'll call. Okay, this is the index file. So what I did in index file, this is a basic HTML course. Here in heading, I written JavaScript UI module, and in CSS, what I written color red and text align center simply. And here I linked JavaScript. Here I linked CSS, and these all three files in the same directory or same folder. So I'll copy the path of this index.html. Okay, and I'll go to the browser, and on browser I will paste this path and press enter. Okay, so what is the alert is coming? 13. 13 is the value of a. Okay, so what is the a value? What is our a value? 13. So that's what it is printing. Or you can simply write here like this also, like a value is, okay, and you can say, okay, so let's save it and check in the browser. Let me refresh the browser and refresh it. So a value is 13, it is showing. If you want to see this value on console, so go to the inspect mode, press Ctrl Shift I, so that you can get the developer mode, right? So go to the console, and here you must have 13. Okay, 13 is coming. After alert, this value is rendering. This value is coming because of what? Console.log. And the alert is coming because we write in the alert. Okay, that's why this pop-up is coming. See the code. Okay, console.log is coming here, and the alert is coming as a pop-up top of the page. Okay, here. Like this you can print. Right? So this is what unary operator. Unary operator means only one operand. Okay, let's understand what this minus minus operator. So for example, here a value is what? A value is 10. So you can simply write a minus minus. Okay, so what will happen now? A value will decrease. What would be the a value? Console. Okay, let me write in alert only. Alert a value is, okay, like this. So what would be a value? A value would be 9. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so a value is 9, right? So like this it is printing. Why it is unary operator? Unary operator because it have only one operator. Okay, this minus 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 minus, this is a complete one operator, right? And this plus plus is complete one operator. Okay, and how many operand it have? It have only one operand. Okay, a is a operand and this minus minus is a operator, right? Let me write here also. a is a is an operand. I hope spelling is correct. Okay, and plus plus is an operator, right? Like this. Okay, that's why we call it unary operator. Okay, when we write the complex code, then we will understand, then frequently we will use this operator, unary operator. Okay, like plus and minus minus. These operators we will use. All right. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss other operators, like we will discuss logical operator in the next video. All right, thank you everyone.